Hi everyone, how are you? Today I want to speak about a new tool that we're going to start using, okay, which is the forum. If you're watching this video, you have already found out that I have created a natural science forum, okay? It's gonna be up here, and let's get into it. Let's have a look at it. Okay, once you open it, here you will have a list of the different topics, okay? For the moment, we have only one, which is called Welcome to the Natural Science Forum, which is being created by me. And clicking on it, you can see that I have written something. This is a post, okay? If you want to answer it, you just have to click on Responder. Okay? Here you write your message, and after writing that message, you only have to click on Enviar al foro. Okay? But imagine you're studying natural science and you want to ask something because there's something you don't understand very well. In that case, once you have just open the forum, you should click on Añadir un nuevo tema de discusión. Okay, that way you are going to create a new topic. So let's say that you haven't understood very well the Earth's magnetic field, for example. Okay, in that case, in Asunto, which is the title of your topic, you write this, and here you would have to write the question. Okay, that way everybody's going to be able to see that question, and both the teachers and other students will be able to answer. And that way everybody's going to learn from other people's questions, and I think it's going to be a very useful tool.